Word order. We have already learned about word order in our previous classes. Let us learn some more about the same. My uncle bought me a bicycle. Here, my uncle is the subject. Bought is the verb. A bicycle is an object and me is another object. What is the difference between the two objects? One is the direct object and the other is the indirect object. Which is the direct object? To get the answer, we should ask a direct question. My uncle bought what? A bicycle. This is the direct answer. Then one may ask, is it for himself or someone else? The answer is, it is for me. Now, how do we write the sentence which has two objects? The practice is to place the indirect object before the direct object. My uncle bought me a bicycle. Let us have some more examples. The teacher gave the children vacation work. Vacation work is the direct object and the children is the indirect object. The chief minister promised the slum dwellers new houses. New houses is the direct object and the slum dwellers is the indirect object. But what do we do when we have a statement like this? The school will give a certificate to anyone who plants 100 saplings. The doctor gave medicines to all those who were affected by the disease. The order is changed in these sentences. These are sentences where the indirect object is not denoted by a single word or term. The indirect object is much longer than the direct object. So, the order is reversed and the direct object appears before the indirect object. Sometimes, we may want to stress or emphasize the indirect object for some particular reason. Then, the order is reversed. Here we have two such situations. Lodge the complaint to the President, not to the Vice President. Invite the Director of Youth Services or anyone who is good with young people.